Mina, can you talk to us about search term reports, please?
Okay, so basically we launched these discovery campaigns that we talked about in the last video, and now we want to look at search term reports and extracting the keywords from search term reports. So like I said, you're going to go into campaign manager, and on the left side you're going to click on reports and you're going to download reports. Now in the report section you can choose what kind of reports you want. There's placement, there's search term, and there's a few other ones. So you're going to select search term, you're going to download it for the last whatever period. I generally do it every 7 days, so it just depends on when is the last time you did it. That's when I would do it. I would download that report. From there, I would go in and I will pull out all of the customer search terms. Now, I do not look at what's profitable, what's not profitable, because you need to understand that if I have a keyword like electrolyte powder, like unflavored electrolyte powder that triggered in the electrolyte powder broad campaign, and it was profitable, does not mean that when I launch it as exact, it's going to be profitable. So I extract every single keyword possible that I can find in that search term report. I pull it out, and then every 10 keywords, I'll sort by impression, and then every 10 keywords I will put in a campaign, broad, phrase, and exact. Now, one thing that I do before that is I make sure that I'm not already bidding on those keywords. So if I'm already bidding on those keywords, I'm not going to duplicate my efforts. That's the last thing you want. It's messy. There's no point to have 2 campaigns with the same keyword. But I will do it for every single match type. So I'll pull out all the keywords, 10 keywords per campaign, broad, phrase, and exact. This will generate a massive amount of campaigns, and it's okay. It's okay to have a lot of campaigns because this is all data that Amazon is generating for you. Now, my goal with this is to extract all of those keywords, bid on them, and then get data on are they profitable or are they not. If they're profitable, amazing, they're gonna get me sales. If not, maybe I just need to lower the bid a little bit until it is profitable. If it's not possible for it to be profitable, it just keeps going down till it's not getting any impressions, and then later on, obviously anything that's not getting any impressions, I'm increasing the bids regularly. I have a full training obviously for PPC that's free. You can watch that. But anyways, you drop the bid and then it goes back up, and then you can test it again and again. But the whole goal is to find all of the keywords out there. I do not negative anything that I extract from the search term reports, because there's no correlation that if a keyword in a broad keyword is working and it's generating you revenue, then negative it because when you put it in broad, phrase, and exact, it's going to generate you revenue. That's just simply not true. Just because it's getting results in a broad campaign does not mean that when you target it on its own, it's going to get you results. Unfortunately, I learned that the hard way, so you don't have to go through it.
Thank you, Mina.